I attempted to recreate this set of nails. If you want to see how I did, then keep on watching. Hey guys, welcome back to another video here on my channel. Today's video is another Pinterest recreation. I pulled out these Korean polishes to help me achieve the look. I thought that the jelly shades for the background color was perfect for this nail set. These are all, I believe they're all part of the same collection, and I think this collection may have been discontinued, but you might be able to find it on other sites like the Saracen or something like that. But if you wanted to get it off of like Sweetie or Zillaboo, I think it was discontinued. These polishes, they self-level really well, and they are this like jelly sheer color, and I do 2 coats on the nails. If you want to see me unbox these and do a swatching with the swatch card and everything that, you know, Korean polishes usually come with, and I do have that video, you can check that out. This right here is just 1 coat of all of the colors, and this right here is 2 coats with a matte top coat. I use the matte top coat because I'm going to be doing an aura effect, or attempting to do it, and I'm going to use this Y2K palette from Morta and also the Miss Pink nail palette that I got off Amazon. In order to do this effect, you just need to take a very small amount of polish, place it in the center or wherever you want that effect to be on the nail, and use a sponge to pat it out gently. Give it a flash cure or full cure, and then go ahead and add more layers of color on top. And as you build up the color, you'll see that the color will show up more and more on the nail. I wouldn't suggest going in with a lot of color first, because it can get messy fast, and before you know it, the whole entire nail is covered with the color when you only wanted it to be in one spot. So just do it in light layers, and then that way you know it's cured all the way through, and that will help you get the exact opacity that you want by just doing it in thin layers. Using pat gels is easier to do this rather than using a regular gel polish, but if you wanted to try to do this with blooming gel, then you probably could. Also an airbrush or even eyeshadow. But if you're going to use eyeshadow, just make sure you're using a palette that you actually don't use on your eyes. Make sure it's just a palette that's only for nail products. You can also use pigment powder to achieve an aura effect on nails. And I think I have tried all of those different ways. I prefer using the pat gels or an eyeshadow palette. An airbrush is easy, but you do risk, you know, getting all those fumes in the air if you're just trying to mix regular gel polish with, I think they mix it with like acetone or something. Remember, you're spraying that in the air and you're breathing that in. So if you are going to use an airbrush, just use actual airbrush paint, because that's fine to do on the nail instead of trying to mix it yourself, just to keep your lungs, you know, nice and healthy. So these are how all the nails look, and I'm just going to go in with a regular glossy top coat to just kind of smooth out the design really well. Then I'm going to put a matte top coat on top of this. If you want to go straight in with the matte top coat, then that's fine. I didn't realize at first that this nail set, the Pinterest picture, I think the nails are matte in the photo. And then the black lines have a glossy top coat on top of it. But so yeah, so I just went in and I just put a glossy top coat, gave it a full cure, and then I used a matte top coat, specifically the not polished HEMA and TPO free matte top coat. That's the one that I used for this set. And this is what they're all looking like, mattes. So I left them matte, and then I went in with the Emo Black Liner Gel from Ball Fit Nails, and I just put some lines on the nails. I tried to mimic the design as best as I could because, you know, this is a Pinterest recreation, so I am trying to recreate the picture that I found. And I don't think it's an exact, as far as the line work goes, it's not an exact recreation, but you can see, you know, when you look at both pictures, the picture from Pinterest and my nails, you can see where I got the inspo from. But yeah, I did really enjoy doing this nail set. Let me know if you've ever done something like this. It kind of reminds me of just like butterfly. So if you've ever done a butterfly design on nails, it's just really similar to that. If you have a non-white black, that would be even better. This is not non-white, so I did have to go in with top coat on a liner brush just on top of the black lines only. But just have fun with it, put your lines down. It doesn't have to be perfect, and I'm pretty sure if you try this out, it'll look great. After you get all your lines down, then you want to go in with a white gel polish. I am using a white liner gel from Ball Pit called Angel White, and you just want to put those polka dots on parts of the black lines just like you would if you were doing a butterfly nail. It's really simple, really easy. After I did this, I gave it a full cure, and then I went in with a liner brush with some top coat, and I only lined over top of the black lines because I wanted the base to stay matte. This is a very simple nail look, and I think that if you like to do nails, whether if you're a nail tech or a nail hobbyist like me, you should definitely give this design a try. It is really simple to do, especially once you get down that aura effect. I'm not the best at the aura effect, but I try my best. I'm going to go ahead and do some raindrops, and instead of pulling out the raindrop gel that I have, I'm going to use this 3D gel from Elisa. I purchased this on TikTok Shop, and I really like the packaging. I like the fact that it comes with a flip top, because the other 3D gel that I have that I got from TikTok as well, the one from Tricolor Fish, that one, it leaks pretty badly, but it's still a good gel. It's a really good gel, but it does leak. I do like that this has a flip cap. It's not the thickest gel, but it does stay in place. I still make sure I flash cure it in between each little dot just so it doesn't self-level. This is non-wipe, so you can use this as a top coat or just your regular 3D lines, or you can even put chrome on top of it. But yeah, this nail set was really simple and really easy to do. Let me know if you would ever try this nail set, or if you've ever done anything similar. I do have another Pinterest nail creation that is also like a butterfly theme, but it's different from this one. And here is the final nail design. Let me know what you think about this nail design in the comments below. I do really like these nails. I actually like the shape of the nails as well, which is surprising because I don't really like square that much. At least on my hand, I don't. But I did enjoy doing these, and I do like the final product. I don't think it looks like an exact one-to-one recreation besides the color scheme, but I try my best. Thank you for watching. I want to say welcome to all of my new subscribers, and a hey to all of my returning subscribers. I see you and I appreciate you. Don't forget to like this video, especially if you made it to the end. I appreciate you. Subscribe to the channel if you aren't already subscribed. Hit the post notification bell if you want to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Hype the video, share the video, all of the things. If you want to know where I got anything in this video from, any colors or links or anything like that, just leave it in the comments and I will try to get you the link. I should be having some hauls coming up, maybe. We'll see. We'll see. I might have some hauls coming up, so stay tuned for that, and probably another giveaway. So I'll see you, or you'll see me in the next one. Bye, guys.
Like this. feel like months. Been gone for a year, only go like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want.